Ngicela ukunibingelela abazalwane egameni lenkosi yethu Jesu Kristu. Amen. Bazalwane, ngicela ukubingelela kakhulu umuzi wakithi waseZayoni. Bafowethu, ngicela ukuza ngo-part 2 wokungcwatshwa kukababa uPresident uthi inkonyane. Siphoxekile and ngiyafuna ukuthi ngigcizelele lokho ngoba iqiniso kumele liphume libe sobala ukuthi kwenzekeni. Bafowethu, acknowledge ukuthi obaba bakwaNkonyana ebebekade bephethwe umongameli uThami babuyele kimi, kodwa babuyela ne-answer ethi nabo basashaqekile ngodaba abaluzwayo olungakacaci nasey'ndlebeni zalo ukuthi bekwenzakalani. Bafowethu, udaba uma sihamba nalo luveza ukuthi ubaba uNkonyane ngesikhathi sithi uyangcwatshwa wayesengcwatshiwe, kodwa umndeni ungazi, nebandla futhi lingazi. Ikhona futhi into ethi ubaba uNhlangase nobaba uBZ Nkosi bayalwazi lolu daba, and I've tried ukuthi ngifonele ubaba uNkosi, Archbishop Nkosi. Bishop Nkosi waliconfirma lolu daba ukuthi ngempela kwenzakele lokhu okushiwo umndeni wakaNkonyane ukuthi kwakukhona izitini ezazidrilelwe ebhokisini ezimbili ngesikhathi thina sisemngcwabeni. Into ebuhlungu kakhulu esayizwayo ke thina. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bacabanga ukuthi akulona udaba lethu lolo, akulona udaba la ngaphakathi lolo lakaNkonyane, lezimpi zakhona zangaphakathi. No, udaba oluthinta thina njengamazayoni jikelele, because kufana nokuthi bekufe izinyane lesilo lapha kwaNkonyane, and kwaNkonyane sikuthatha njengendlu yethu enkulu yangasenhla. And kubuhlungu ke ngoba yenzakele lento, amaphoyisa ekhona. Siyacela nobaba uMkhwanazi ayi-investigate le yanto yase Newcastle. Sicela uMkhwanazi, uMajor General, uGeneral uMkhwanazi wase KZN, ngoba amaphoyisa ayekhona laphayana kwakuyi-POP namaphoyisa esiteshi sase Newcastle angena enkingeni yokuthi agcine engasawenzi umthetho we-court order eyayikade iphumile, eyayikade applyelwe umama omkhulu kababa uNkonyane. So bafowethu, ibuhlungu lento ngoba thina njengamazayoni umlando wethu wonke noma ungawugooglisha usithatha back to uNkonyane, and uNkonyana ordained my father, and uNkonyana ordained my brother in the family. Ngifuna ukusho lokho. So that's why ubona I'm so concerned about spiritual connection yethu nebandla lakaNkonyane. So ngifuna ukuthi ke bafowethu ukuhamba ke induna, we tried ukuthi sicontact induna ngoba nayo iyaveza induna ukuthi into eyenzekayo ukuthi uNkonyane agcine esengcwabeka ngendlela engafanele ukuthi angcwabeke ngayo. So bafowethu, siyama-ke thina njengebandla likaNkulunkulu, and siyasho ukuthi no, ngeke sivume ukuthi kwenzeke njengoba kwenzeka. Ngeke sivume ukuthi kwenzeke njengoba kwenzeka. Asifuni kudlalwe ngathi ngemizwa yethu njengebandla, njengesizwe. And kubuhlungu ngoba ubaba wethu uGama simthembe kakhulu benogwala, udokotela uGwala, kodwa nabo kuthiwa they know, babekhona kunye nentombazane, they know ukuthi njengoba babephethe uhlelo nje, babephethe uhlelo ley'tini, thina sihlezi sigodola, sihamba ubusuku nemini, sihamba ebusuku sajama kuma-traffic anzima kabi, sagodola sacishe sagula, but sasihambele thina iy'tini. Lokho ngeke sikuhlonise bafowethu, it's time. And okunye ekufanele sicacele, siyafuna ukuthi ukucacisa ukuthi kahle kahle ubaba uNkonyane kwakumele angcwatshwe amathole funeral. amathole funeral anqaba ukwenza i-corruption, agcina i-corruption iyokwenziwa ucebo lethu. Bafowethu, ucebo lethu ngifuna amaphoyisa, ngoba kuthiwa wayeseyitholile incwadi naye i-court order eyayithi angabe kusababikho umngcwabo, naye must be investigated, and uyibulalile nje ibhizinisi yakhe ucebo lethu. Futhi umuntu ongaphinda athemba ucebo lethu, bafowethu, to me angiyako withdrawa ngisho abantu bami engibafake kacebo lethu ngendlela angizwise ngayo ubuhlungu ngenkokheli yethu engaka enkulu kangaka, avuma ukuthi abe ingxenye ye-corruption. Lapha ngesikhathi sekuthiwa akasondele ebhokisini, baphuma laphana, sabamba impi sodwa, bona sebemi phandle, umndeni ula ngaphakathi ubhekene nathi. So now-ke uma sekuvela ukuthi kanti bayingxenye, bayazi ngalento ye-corruption ukuthi ubaba uNkonyane sihlezi lapha nje amukho, bafowethu, they must be arrested. Abakwazi ukutravela ngey'moto ezazingaka o-Mercedes, silandela ngemumva nathi sithandaza ngemumva, kanti bayazi ukuthi bayasikhohlisa. Icala lela balenzile, bafowethu, and kufanele silifake icala eli-official. Ngizolifaka futhi mina icala eli-official ngaleya nkampani, ngoba leya nkampani iphethe abantu, leya nkampani iphethe isizwe, leya nkampani futhi abantu bayithembile. And unfortunately uZweli was there, umuntu esimhlonipha ngendlela emangaza. It doesn't matter ukuthi uyi-ANC or whatever. Inkatha was there, the mayor was there. But kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi sifike la esikhona kukhona abantu who are prominent, abantu ebekufanele kube yibona abazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni, besikhona njengamabhishophi amele amabandla esikhonza kuwo. But where are we now? Where are we? Icebo lethu must be arrested. Umphathi wecebo lethu must be arrested, and isitifiketi sakhe kufanele sidatshulwe. Into abayenzile, it was wrong, and akekho futhi ozokwazi ukwenza lokho ngaphandle ukuthi thina amaZayoni sithi stand up, siye kuyomfakela i-case ezokwenza ukuthi lento yakhe yokusebenza okungekho loyal to the community ifakelwe ibuko. Ngeke ngize ngiluyeke lolu daba, ngeke. Nayo ucebo lethu must do something, must say something. Amaphoyisa, they must say something. Ayikwazi induna ukuma ithi ene bekukhona amatshe, obaba uBizethi bathi bekukhona amatshe, umndeni uthi bekukhona amatshe, and then after that kube kukhona a state entity ebikhona, a state people who supposed to bring the what you call, who bring a justice to those who feel that the justice has not been served. But bagcine bona benza lento abayenza. Le nto enayenzayo bafowethu is criminal, and we are not going to back off. We are going to push forward until the justice has been served. Ngiyanifuna ukusho lokho phathulo walento engisho, but the justice must be served. Regardless ukuthi ungithatha kanjani futhi ukhuluma kanjani ku-social media, it doesn't matter, but mina into mangithiwe ngiyayimela, ngifuna ukumele a justice in our country. Ngeke i-corruption yenzeke ngaphandle iphinde izokwenzeka ngaphakathi kithi singabefundisi, nikwazi ukusimisleader, nikwazi ukusibetraya, nikwazi ukusenza sibe zithutha. No, we can't. This must come to an end. Obaba Shabalala must intervene into this thing. Bonke abafundisi, they must intervene. Musani ukuthula, ngoba lento yokuthula iyona lesinikeza inkinga yokuthi kubo ngazathi asiboni izinto zenzeka, sibe sibona izinto zenzeka. Ngiyabonga.